Well, we just got an order in the mail. Soldering station. Thanks to Uncle Sam. Helped me find the right one anyway. I did finally order it. It's definitely, so far, pretty badass. It's got the heat gun. You can use that for several different things. Shrink wrap or shrink tube, whatever you want. There's different fittings, a bunch of different fittings. I don't want to bring it all out. Comes with all the tips, like it says. The only thing it doesn't come with is the spool of solder. That's mine, but it all bolts to this, and this slides in and out. You got, this is actually a fumes. This is for the fumes. It's a vacuum, and it goes through. Looks like a little kind of a charcoal type filter that sits in here. So that's gonna be nice to have. I have blown in my face. The actual heat gun that mounts to the case. You can mount it anywhere you want. There's a little lock-in sleeve that slides into this collar, which is pretty nice. A little 2-bolt, can be mounted anywhere. To function that is this one here, and then you can control your temperatures here. So if you engage that, you'll get that, and there's a heating element that's adjusted by this here, which the top one, you change the degrees all the way up. .480. Doesn't take long to get that hot. I've dealt with a lot of heating elements, so I recommend after you use it, if you're not familiar, but let it cool down before just shutting it off. So get it back down to 90. This is the control. This does a couple different things. When this is on, this controls how much air is being pushed out, your volume. You have your little floating ball. So letting it cool down, then we'll shut it off. The soldering gun heats up in a matter of seconds. I'll show you. Another thing, they have these caution stickers all over it. Okay, there's a shipping screw on the bottom, and they painted it red. There's a huge red paint over it. That's for shipping, so it doesn't get damaged. Don't forget to take it out. They have a sticker on the back. They have it on the top right here. They have it everywhere. Okay, that's done. So we'll shut that off. Okay, and then we got smoke absorber. Okay, that's for the actual gun, and that right there. This doesn't control it. It's just a constant on soldering gun. It's your temperature over here. Okay, and this is how fast it's heating up. It's set at 180 right now. Boom, 180. So let's go up to 350. See how long it takes. And there you go. It's that fast. So same thing, I'd let it cool down before just shutting them off. I just don't like shutting things. That's just me. I don't like shutting things off when I'm at the hottest point. The gun, they used a little mic pin. Looks like a 5-pin, 5 or 6. I don't remember now, but look at all the nice tips. Cools down pretty quick. Garage temp is cold though, so like I said, this doesn't affect the actual smoke absorber, they call it. They give you new elements for that. They give you a lot of different parts and replacement parts for the gun if that comes with it all. This bolts to this housing, so it's all in one. pretty good buy, I must say. There's on and off switch right there. There's a 3-prong ground. It's not too heavy. I gotta figure out where to mount it. The cords are real flexible. I was kind of skeptical about having this tube on top. I'm not used to having it as a soldering iron, but it actually feels quite nice. It's real light, super light. This is all nice heavy steel. Looks like a powder coating has been done to it. It can all detach, so if you don't like this piece on top, it'll slide off. But that's our new toys in the tech bench. We got a lot more coming. We have the static 700 coming. We'll do a test on that. What else? We got the Dozy frequency counter with the sideband. We'll be doing alignment on the Galaxy Echo with that meter. Also, we'll be getting the Bird to just double check all the meters, but we're going to take the new one and we're going to realign this meter. This is the original Dozy. I've had this forever. If you don't recognize it, it's the original old series, which doesn't have Dozy on it. This is old school. I do need to replace this knob here that broke. Other than that, this is original. Had that for a long time, almost 15 plus years, probably longer than that. But until then, that's the new toy. We'll be putting it to work here soon. Y'all have a good one. It's high step with 32 pusher. I'm gone.